If you want to check if your Samsung phone is original or fake, here's a simple and safe method using the phone settings. First, open Settings on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Here, you will see the IMEI number of your device. Now tap and hold on the IMEI number to copy it. Next, open your browser and go to imei.info. Paste the IMEI number into the search box and tap Check. If your Samsung phone is original, you will see full device information such as the model, storage, country, and activation details. If no information appears, or the details don't match your phone, the device may be fake or not genuine. That's it. Like the video and subscribe for more Samsung tips and quick fixes.